just to feel my soul. Let me fall, let me see. Every truth got a shadow inside of me. No throne, no God, no name to blame. I found myself when I left the frame. When I left the frame. Low light, figure on a sleepless night. Blinds half shut, but I still see light. Built my own prison, key in my hands till I stayed locked. Didn't question the plan, they sold me. Order like it's something divine, but it felt like a leash dressed up as design. Every thought was a mine, just a borrowed belief. Now I peel back layers just to find some relief. Mirror don't lie, but it don't speak loud. See a ghost of myself in the faceless crowd. If the cage is metal, why it feels so real? Maybe truth cut deeper than I wanna feel. I was looking for a voice in the noise, somebody else to define my choice, but the silence hit different. It spoke so clear, said ain't nobody coming for you here.